Hi friends, in this video I will show you how you can change Google Chrome download folder or location. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome. After that click on three dots. Now scroll down till you see settings. Click on it. Now on the left hand side scroll down till you see downloads. Click on it. Now here it shows you the default download location of mine. If you want to change this location, then click on change. Select the location where you want to download files. I'm creating a folder named download. Select the folder which you want to select. Click on select folder. Now this path work as download folder for Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment.